Welcome back again, in a new video on channel. In this video, I will show you how to add, or install Hyper-V feature in Windows 10. First we need to enable the virtualization from BIOS. To enter BIOS mode, restart your PC and press F2. F2 and delete is the most used keys to enter BIOS, please review your model. Enable virtualization. Start your computer. Go to search bar and search for Turn Windows feature on or off. Select Turn Windows feature on or off. In the Windows Features window, expand Hyper-V and select Hyper-V Management Tools, and Hyper-V Platform. Then click OK. When fish restart your computer. After restart your computer, start Hyper-V. Next video I will show you how to set up a Windows 10 virtual machine. Don't forget to like the video, and if you are not subscribed, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell, to be notified with the new videos. Thanks for watching.